Welcome everybody to this first of 5 one-day internationals here at Sport Park. South Africa winning the toss and electing to bowl first. So we're away. And some good shape there from Dale Steyn. Dale, Finch, his first time, and he chases it outside off stump. In the air and wide, and it's a boundary. The first one to Warner.
Needs to be nice and tight on that off stump.
Width again, and he pays the price. 2 in a row. Wonderful start for Warner. Caught and bowled, no. Did he get a hand on it? It was hit pretty well from Aaron Finch, and that's him off the mark. And he got away with it. Not a short one. Flies over the top. Yep. This is into the deep and over the top and on the hill. For an instant there, I thought it was a top edge. It may have been, but it got picked up with the wind. Flicks it away. This will go to the fence. So just 2 bad deliveries in that over, and it's cost him 10 runs. And this time it gets through. I just got the feeling he was going to get one of those through the offside David Warner. So another boundary to Warner. 4 4s and a 6 for him so far. Over the top. Beautiful shot. Picked up really well from David Warner. Another boundary to him. That's 5 4s for him.
And what's required here is a salvo from the South African fastmen. Bang! Out of there, straight away. What a hit from Finch. In the air, bang! Parnell with the breakthrough. The over didn't start well, but he'll be well happy now. Shot. Beautifully struck. It's Finch again. It's 6 again. Slow ball attempt. And is able to adjust. Finch on the go. 4 more. Shot. That's a beautiful shot. That's a nice shot. It'll go for 4 as well. Petreway again. Oh, has he got him? Has he got him? It looks like he does have him.
I'm sure we'll probably check it, but I think Aaron Finch is on his way.
Looks quite good from up here. Yeah, his fingers are touching the ground. It lands in the palm of his hand and drops into the fingers. Looks a clean catch.
Will you put your finger up or will you make the inside? No, there it is.
He probably feels a little bit disappointed the way, that sort of dismissed with the man in the circle at fine leg. You don't expect to be caught there.
That could be close. That's close. That's straight, and he's gone. Philip strikes twice in an over. And South Africa are bowling themselves back into this match.
And he's referred it. Yeah, it was all about the length as well from Andile Petlukwayo. So no sign. And as it pitched it slightly fuller. And yep, I agree with you, Polly. A wasted review.
It's flicked it away. He built it up like he was going to maybe pick up a wicket or 2, but that's not the best start to a spell, and he'll be very disappointed. It's another full toss punch down the ground. So not a great start to this over from Rabada. He's just been hammered away again. Front of square in beautiful control. Parnell continues, and this one's dragged wide of mid-wicket. It was slightly overpitched, and ideally Mitchell Marsh probably would have been looking to knock it past mid-on, but he just drags it. It's a brilliant tackle there by Quinton de Kock. The ball bounced off and then took the outside edge of Mitchell Marsh, who's been in some good touch.
And there we see just landing it in the zone, bringing it forward. Mitchell Marsh's way back and Quinton de Kock. Fantastic catch.
Yeah, Petlukwayo wasn't happy at the fact that the previous delivery was adjudged as a wide, but he got an extra ball for the over.
Oh, puts it away beautifully. Just slightly over pitch. There was no swing there for Parnell, and Travis Head is away. Another one over pitch and the same result. So Travis Head off to a bit of a fly, and it's a good over for Australia. Gives us now some room. It's gone straight up in the air. Is anyone going to get to it? They're not. The wind's taking it over the rope. Up in the air this time. Has it got enough on it? It has. Another 6 with George Bailey.
At this ground where you feel that you need 350 to be safe. Close.
Well, that should have been out.
Team wins 8 out of 8.
Misfield and 4. So another boundary to the Australians and another one to George Bailey. Beautiful bowling. Travis Head, he went down the wicket early, wasn't even close, and went through with a shot. And once again, Imran Tahir does it for South Africa.
Oh yeah, it's very effective when the batsmen try and attack him. Travis Head tried to pick the wrong one to come down the wicket too. Very easy stumping there for Quinton de Kock. So again,
there's a bit of nip. It's wide, and he just throws the blade at it.
I'd have say second slip.
Oh dear, got it, Martin, gone! There was absolutely no run there.
This time the throw was absolutely spot on. No single there, straight to the fielder at mid-wicket. Quick on it, and it's hard in the frame. It's not even close.
Oh, just over. A big shout, huge shout, but no. Says not out, they might well go upstairs here. Yeah, they are going upstairs. The question is whether it straightens enough.
A very good shout.
Pitch is in line, and does it straighten enough? The angle, think of the angle. The angle goes towards that leg side. I'll say it's hitting the stumps from what I see there. But question is enough of the ball hitting the stumps? Oh, remember, with DRS, the area that it needs to hit has been increased from before. Impact in line. Oh, missing. Missing, it's not even hitting. There's that angle I'm talking about.
Put away. Nice shot that from Johnny Hastings. Out. That's a nice shot. Will carry. Just one bounce though. Indication that you're not happy. Oh, beautifully placed. It's away with that. And that'll sneak away too from Johnny Hastings. Dale Steyn not happy with that.
About 50.
Gone for the big shot, hasn't got all of that. And Andile Peshuwayo has a fourth. Top shot. That is a magnificent shot for four. Nearly through. Oh, where are you going? Whoa, why are you throwing it? Oh dear. Oh goodness gracious. That's gone a long way up in the air. David Miller getting under it, takes the catch. Bailey gone. That's gone up in the air as well. Will it clear the fielder? Peshuwayo, oh, can't get there. Not the easiest of catches. They're tough those as they go over your shoulder. It's gone straight up in the air. Miller again. Smokes it and smokes it for four. There's a full toss. Look at the batting scorecard, and maybe you'll be happy with the number down the bottom. Look at the bowling. You heard from Andile Peshuwayo said that he felt that the bowling side, found their length a little later on in the game. 295 is what South Africa must get if they are to go one up in this 5-match series.
Whipped away to the leg side, and that's all the way. Beautiful timing from de Kock. And just lays it off. Got a hand on, I think, Aaron Finch, but it was hit so hard. That one through the leg side, just had one man to beat. That's a better shot. Through the gap, little race away, very quick outfield. He's pretty fast over Warren, but he won't get that. Going around the wicket to the lefty. Oh, it's down the leg side. Will it carry? It doesn't. It wasn't far away from Hastings. That's through. Beautifully timed. Put away beautifully. Oh, and that's pitched up and it's gone into the same area. A bit on the leg side, and that'll go into the rope. And South Africa bowled well, and they're batting well at the moment. Another chase for Travis Head, and doesn't get this one either. Straight up in the air. Matthew Wade's chasing, so is Stephen Smith, and they won't get there.
Quinton de Kock wasn't sure where that ball had ended up.
Gee, that's a good shot. The ball wasn't that bad. It was a good length delivery. Even that delivery. What about that shot? Beautiful timing.